When people see a piece like this, they often assume that the difficult part is the making. But for many artists, the more interesting question is, how do I come up with the idea in the first place? Where exactly do creative ideas come from? Nature rarely gives us finished designs. Instead, it provides clues. Color, structure, pattern, anatomy, behavior. Where do creative ideas come from? When Serbay Doru designed his beetle, he didn't begin with glass. He began by looking closely at nature. Beetles provide an endless source of inspiration. Their body shapes, surface patterns, color transitions, and anatomical structures all offer ideas that can be translated into glass. The goal is not to copy, or at least not to copy nature exactly. Instead, artists observe, select, and interpret. Looking at examples, we might be inspired by the segmented construction of the body, the tapering of the wing cases, or the repeating patterns found on the surface. Through observation, these natural characteristics become starting points for creative decisions. In the case of this Murrine beetle, those observations were translated into glass through color, pattern, and construction. What began as an observation became interpretation. The goal is no longer to reproduce nature exactly. The goal is to create something that captures the essence of the creature. One could say even bigger than life. Rather than asking how to copy a beetle, Serbay asks a different question. Which parts of this creature are most important? What makes it feel most like a beetle? Technical skill is important. Observation allows us to understand nature. Interpretation allows us to move beyond it. What remains is no longer a beetle, but an artist's response to the world around them. When you look at one of Serbay's best pieces, you're not thinking, what an accurate beetle. You're thinking, wow, what an extraordinary object.